Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing DIY face mask to remove dead skin cells, prevent acne, get rid of clogged pores, and give your skin an amazing, beautiful glow. So please keep watching so you can enjoy all the benefit of this amazing DIY face mask. So one of the main ingredients is going to be a papaya. Papaya has an amazing enzyme called papain which actually remove dead skin cells. Papaya not only remove the skin cells but also remove the tan from the face after you've been exposed to the sun. It's actually healing and it has anti-aging properties. Half a cup of papaya. Papaya also aids with collagen production, which increases the elasticity of your skin, making it look a lot younger and beautiful. Our next ingredient is going to be kaolin clay. 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay. Kaolin clay has antibacterial property. It's also useful to treat acne. The minerals in kaolin clay can remove oil secretion and contaminants from the skin. They serve as a cleansing and refreshing agent by absorbing moisture and impurities and by reducing blemishes. One tablespoon of macadamia nut oil. Macadamia nut oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and is a great source of vitamin E, making it easy for the skin to absorb without feeling greasy. Macadamia oil is also one of the main anti-aging oils. So that is a good. One of the main anti-aging oils. Next, we're going to add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Oh, it smells so good. Lavender essential oils work to kill bacteria, and this can help to heal and prevent breakout. smells delicious. Now let's let this baby do its magic. So let's leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then we're gonna wash it off. My mask is fully dry. It's been like, I don't know, 20 minutes. So let's take this off. Look, my skin looks really nice and soft. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.